All right, here we go.
I'm jumping off
And
the
you
building today, baby.
You don't use your hand because it doesn't penetrate your hand. You want to use everywhere it penetrates so it can all get in your system. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh yes,
Ooh,
I feel it. I feel
I'm
it.
getting younger. Wow. You feel like you're losing weight?
Yep, I feel it. This is amazing. This is amazing.
Like you have a lot. You could put it here too, I guess. I wonder if it's okay to do 2 different body parts. I guess we'll find out. Oh, it's burning. Is yours burning?
No. That's not a good sign. Take it off.
Just joking, it's not burning. All right. Day 1, but we just got it, so not even a full day. This is a half a day today.
It's attracting bugs.
You have like, is it lotion? What the?
I feel something. I feel it in. I'm tasting something.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I feel my taste buds.
What do you taste?
Just feels like it already hit my bloodstream or something.
Interesting.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow. Well, because you have like a week's worth.
She don't know what she's talking about. I'm a man. I'm supposed to be able to. It
No.
says squirt. 1 squirt. Not no. Squirt. 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 That's what I did.
That's what
And
you
we
did?
have it on video, so we can prove
Yeah,
it.
I'm going to go back and watch the tape.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, guys. Get your gel. Get your gel. Watch us. You're going to see extra hair growing in. See, I got my natural rocking it so I can see the difference.
Yeah,
So,
you're going to see it growing in a
You're going to
minute.
see some hair growing up here.
Yeah.
You're going to see some
Right
stomachs
between
going
here,
down.
You're going to see some hair growing here.
Who are you talking
and
about?
here. Y'all going to see it everywhere. I'm coming out monka.
Monka? Maybe my eyebrows will grow back.
What's the matter?